Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are doing an unboxing of the very first Star Wars Smugglers Bounty collectible box from Funko. Same people do the Marvel Collector Core box. This one's all Star Wars themed, and it is a Force Awakens box. Got Kylo Ren on the cover of the box. Alright, so now we're going to do the unboxing. Alright. Okay. Ooh. Alright, well here's the patch. Came out of the plastic. It is a First Order TIE Pilot. Hey! To all my friends in the Jolly Roger Squadron, the 501st. Ooh. And a Kylo Ren pin. Okay. So that's the opening there. Now, big reveal. Drum roll, please. We have, ooh, lanyard. Star Wars lanyard with First Order Stormtrooper on it, or First Order Trooper on it. Very nice. The t-shirt is very nice Funko Pop style artwork, First Order Stormtrooper from the new film. Gonna add that to my Star Wars pile of shirts that I need to rebuild since I lost 100 pounds last year. And our Pops. We have First Order TIE Pilot, awesome. And we have Captain Phasma. Even better, Chrome of Captain Phasma. Even cooler. Very, very, very nice. Very, very nice. Ooh. I hate to say this, but I think this might be a little bit better than the Marvel box. I don't know. Got two cool Pop figures, a cool t-shirt, a really cool TIE Pilot patch. With, oh, I just noticed it's even got the Widow's Tears, Black Widow's Tears, and a lanyard for Dragon Con, New York Comic Con. Oh, WinterCon's coming up. Could use that for that. Yes. Alright, so there you go. That's the unboxing of the inaugural Star Wars Smugglers Bounty box from Funko. Personally, I think it's better than the Marvel box right now. Alright? And again, thanks for watching.